The Samsung MS23K3513 microwave oven delivers a multitude of innovative features designed to make your cooking experience easier and more efficient. Whether you're defrosting ingredients, warming up a meal, or cooking a dish from scratch, this microwave oven has got you covered. One of the prominent features of the Samsung MS23K3513 is the quick defrost function. This efficient feature thaws food evenly and quickly. It uses an automatic defrost algorithm to calculate the correct defrosting time for 5 common food types, significantly reducing the time needed to prepare your ingredients. Preparing multiple dishes at once? The Samsung MS23K3513's Keep Warm function has got you covered. This feature maintains the appropriate temperature for your dishes without overcooking them, using a grill heater. This ensures that your food stays warm and tasty as if it were freshly cooked, ready to serve whenever you are. Durability and easy maintenance are also hallmarks of the Samsung MS23K3513, thanks to the ceramic inside. This durable interior is easy to clean and remains scratch-free over time. Its smooth surface doesn't discolor and requires no scrubbing. Plus, it's highly resistant to rust and scratches, extending the longevity of your microwave oven. In addition, the Samsung MS23K3513 comes equipped with pre-programmed local recipes. This allows you to satisfy your cravings for traditional home-cooked meals at the touch of a button, saving you time and making meal preparation simpler. The microwave oven also shines when it comes to energy conservation with its eco mode. This mode significantly cuts down on energy consumption by maintaining minimal power when not in use, leading to savings on your electricity bills. Finally, the deodorization setting ensures your food always tastes fresh. By forcing air out of the interior cavity, this feature quickly dissipates any lingering odors from previous dishes, making sure your food maintains its delicious taste. In conclusion, the Samsung MS23K3513 microwave oven brings together rapid defrosting, temperature control, durability, convenience, energy efficiency, and freshness in a single, user-friendly appliance.